How to log in into a Costco ESS employee account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Open up a browser in your preferred device and search for Costco ESS Employee Login. Select the first option. You'll be directed to the official webpage of Costco Employee website. Select the option of Current Employee Login, or if you are a former, select the former option. You'll be redirected to a new tab to sign in using your credential. Enter your username and your password. Use your Costco account or LAN ID if you are an employee or alumni. If you are a vendor or supplier, use your email address and enter your password, then tap on Sign In. If you forgot your credential, select Trouble Signing In. In here, you will find three of the options, that is Costco Employee, Alumni, and Vendor and Supplier. If you select Retrieve your username for Costco Employee, you will have to select a country where you are designated and your employee ID and tap on Continue. By this way, you'll be able to recover your account. Similarly, if you select the Retrieve option from Costco Alumni, you will have to select a country, then enter your former employee ID. And just like that, if you tap on Reset Password for Vendors and Supplier, enter your email address linked to your Costco employee account. Then select on Reset Password. And that is how you can easily recover your password if you forgot any of the credential. And you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.